Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be unboxing the high grade 1/4 scale DOM test type by JMS. So far, this is the only damage in the box. At the front of the box, you'll see a line art of the DOM test type. Mostly, it's colored black. JMS is known for their minimalistic style of boxes. Again, here is a line art of DOM test type. You can also see that the decals are applied. You can see some red coloring for the heat stick, and so as in the face and the mono eye, and for the tubes in the bazooka. On the upper right, it has GTO and some Chinese characters, and nothing much on the sides. And of course, nothing underneath. Now let's open up the box. I don't have a cutter with me or a pair of scissors, so I'll just use this side cutter. If you also noticed, I removed the white backdrop as it takes too much of the space. So what you'll first see here is the manual. They also did a minimalistic style of approach. And here are all the runners. And of course the building instructions. And there are colored parts here towards the end of the instructions. Now let's see all the runners. So there's 1, 2, and this one is I think it's a water slide. No, it's just a sticker. So these are just dry transfer decals. So again, there's 2, 3 plastic bags. So let's set this aside for now. Let's open each one by one, starting from the smallest one. So the first one we have here is a runner for gray parts. I'm seeing parts of the forearms and the shoulders. So this one is for the heat stick. This is not a beam saber effect, hence the solid red color. Next are the polycaps. Next is a runner for white parts. I'm seeing parts of the thighs. Next one is a small runner for red parts. I believe this is for the face. Let's set them aside. Now let's open up the second bag. So we have here parts of the stand or the base. Runner for black parts. I believe these two big ones are for the feet. I can also see some parts of the chest armor. Next is another runner for gray parts. I believe these two big identical pieces are for the waist. This one for the feet, for the shoulders, and for the forearms. Next is a runner for a soft plastic. So these are for the tubes. Next one is a runner for dark gray parts. And it's obvious that this is for the main weapon. Now let's open up the third one. a runner for dark brown parts, and another one of that, a runner for dark gray parts, some of which I believe are for the inner frame, another runner for dark gray parts. You can see some parts of the hands and also some parts of the inner frame, and finally a runner for parts with clear pieces. I believe the middle one is for the face. So that is all for the runners and whatever's inside of the box. And that's it for this unboxing. I'll make a review of this kit once I'm finished building it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I'll see you on my next video.